Shanghai Auto Show, a global stage where the future of automotive design and technology often takes its first breathtaking steps. And this year, the anticipation is palpable. What groundbreaking innovation is Volkswagen about to unleash? What new chapter in their electric ID story are they ready to reveal? Our curiosity is ignited because right here, right now, we're witnessing the world premiere of the all-new Volkswagen. Feast your eyes on this. The all-new Volkswagen ID. Evo, the name itself hints at evolution, a step forward in their already impressive lineup of electric vehicles. Let's take a closer look at the design. Notice that it's a clear departure, yet unmistakably Volkswagen ID. But this is more than just a visual refresh. What lies beneath the surface? What new technologies are powering this electric marvel? Volkswagen has been tight-lipped, but the speculation is intense. Are we looking at a significant leap in battery technology, range, or charging capabilities? Step inside, or at least imagine stepping inside. What kind of user experience awaits? Will the ID EVO feature the latest advancements in connectivity, autonomous driving assistance, and sustainable materials? The interior design could be just as revolutionary as the exterior. The world is watching the Shanghai Auto Show, and the ID EVO is undoubtedly one of the stars. This world premiere gives us our first glimpse into Volkswagen's vision for the next generation of electric mobility. What kind of impact will it have on the market? What kind of statement is Volkswagen making? The all-new Volkswagen ID Evo, a name that promises evolution, a design that captivates, and technology that has the potential to redefine the electric vehicle landscape. This is just our first look, and we're eager to delve deeper into the specifics. What are your first impressions of the Volkswagen ID Evo? What features are you most excited to learn more about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We're eager to hear what you think. And make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for all the latest news and in-depth coverage from the Shanghai Auto Show 2025.